those motion pictures.
What?
It's one of those moving pictures.
Yes.
Hello, everyone.
He,
Come see the Hogwarts Express. And then you go to Hogwarts Castle.
so what you been up to these past year?
Oh, well, you know, keeping the train ready, making sure the kids get to school and all, you know, but that's pretty much it. Not a lot of people visiting the last year, as usual.
We miss you.
Oh, we miss you. It's so good to have you back, honestly.
Has the students been going to school or they had a vacation?
Oh, well, they've been in school, you know. I mean, why would they stop classes, honestly?
But the teacher had to like figure stuff out too. Like, okay.
Oh, yeah, you know. Fortunately, we've got Madam Humphreys. She takes very good care of us.
We miss you.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll just stay on the train, you know, keep coming back and
Can
forth.
you tell us a little bit about the train?
What would you like to know?
Anything.
We're not leaving today. Does that help?
Yeah.
Very good. It's an auction class. Yes. Ready to go back to London? King's Cross Station, platform 9 and 3/4.
Like, I got my letter. I went to Hogwarts.
You did?
Yeah.
So you graduated?
Yeah.
Well, you know then. Honestly, what house are you?
24.
Which one?
24.
No. What house are you? Gryffindor?
Gryffindor.
Oh, that's the home of Harry Potter, the boy who lived.
I was friends with Harry Potter.
Were you really?
Yeah.
Oh, he's
Me,
one of us.
me, some people say I look like Harry Potter with my glasses.
Oh, I see, but you don't have the scar. That's how
No.
you can tell the difference.
Oh, can I take a picture just you?
Oh, yes, of course.
In